All right, let's do problem 1B, I guess we'll call it. We want to sketch this. So to sketch this, we need to do a little factoring. And to factor it with four terms and no information like this, I would recommend factoring by grouping. So let's pull an x squared out of the first two terms, which would leave us with an x plus 3. Looking at those two terms. Check it. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 3 is 3x squared, so we're good. Minus, let's pull a minus 9 out of the last two terms. We'd be left with x, again, plus 3, because 3 times negative 9 is negative 27, and x times negative 9 is negative 9x. So we have started our factoring grouping, and now we need to pull an x plus 3 out of both terms. There's term 1, there's term 2. They both have an x plus 3. So we pull that x plus 3 out. What are we left with? Well, we're left with x squared. And we're left with minus 9. So we get that right there, which we should continue to factor. X plus 3. Well, x squared minus 9 is a difference of two squares, which means it'll factor as x plus 3 times x minus 3. So notice we have two powers of x plus 3, which means that we should write it as x plus 3 squared times that x minus 3 factor. That is our equation, fully factored right there. So we can sketch our graph. So let's go ahead and mark some x values here. We need negative 3 and positive 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and plot our zeros right there. And where is our y-intercept? Well, our y-intercept is at negative 27, so it's negative somewhere down here, 0, negative 27. And which of these zeros bounces, which of these zeros crosses? Well, the x plus 3 squared factor is saying that negative 3 is going to bounce, and the x minus 3 factor is saying that positive 3 is going to cross. So again, end behavior is dictated by that y-intercept, and we're left with something like that. I didn't draw it very smoothly, but that's the general behavior at the intercepts and end behavior. Notice it is a positive cubic this time. So there you have it.